Taking care of animals is a very humbling experience. When you are the one that is responsible for making sure that they have air, food, and water, it humbles you. So at New Fashion Pork, we have about 54,000 sows. We're in 7 states. It's a good farming and family operation.
My wife, Meg, and I started New Fashion Pork in 1994. I was raised on a small family farm, 200 sows for a finish.
We raise about 1.2 million pigs. We raise our own crops, have our own sow farms. We wean those animals into our facilities.
We put a lot of priority on quality animal care in our facilities. If we don't take good care of her, she won't take good care of us.
When we looked at our pork supply chains, we knew that sow health and productivity was really important to us. Before we started working with Zimpro, we found that there was an opportunity to improve the lameness and improve our sow retention.
And so the conversation started with Zimpro about how we could make our sows better.
They saw some opportunity relative to sow livability. The more we can keep the longevity of the sow herd higher and improve that longevity, the more robust and the more productive those piglets are going to be as they grow out.
We set up a study to look at how their trace minerals could impact our longevity of our sows. We were looking at a variety of things. We were looking at hoof quality, sow health and retention within the study, but we also measured other factors like the quality and number of piglets that they weaned.
KERRI would individually look at all 4 feet on the sows, how they moved their feet, how their body moved, to evaluate the quality of our animals.
We're looking at things like body condition score, we're looking at things like muscle atrophy. That's part of that evaluation. The primary things we were really interested in seeing were the impact of the trace mineral intervention on sow livability.
Then looking at the economic piece of it, putting the numbers to the performance, how did we impact sow productivity, and then what value does that bring to New Fashion?
When we looked at the numbers, and I've looked at the numbers many times since, we had a positive impact on the retention rate of sows on that farm.
Other things that we saw was reduction in white line, hoof cracks, and overall foot quality was improved. When we combined all those factors together, it proved to us the value of the product.
It's kind of comforting to know that we have relationships with vendors that are looking out for the whole pig.
I think our most valued supplier relationships are the ones where they're always bringing us new technologies, new opportunities, and partner with us on those products.
When we can benefit the pig, that pig takes care of the people, it takes care of the company, and help drive profitability for the system.
Working with Zimpro has been really big because when you work with a company that has much the same values as New Fashion Pork, you're going to get a good result at the end of it. We all have a common goal at the end of this, and that is to raise a quality pig.